Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 13. This is our last module of any content before we just have the final project. The topic for this module is the same as Module 12. It's the formal commands again. So really make sure you go over everything. It's the same learning materials from last module. And please email me if you have any questions because, again, this is like our last big topic and you have to have formal commands on your final project. So really make sure that you understand it or you know what you can put at least in your final project. Again, after this, we just have the final project, so make sure you go over the instructions. I'm going to say again, for that final project, we really want simple, basic, only things that we've covered. You basically just want to take the type of questions that we've had in our speaking assignments and just put together, a little basic script using that. Please do not come up with something complicated through Google Translate or ChatGPT or whatever. That's not what we're looking for. We just want exactly what we've done in class so far. Okay, so again, finish up those formal commands, the last homework packet, last speaking assignment, last quiz, and then the scripts are due next Friday. I know it's rough with Thanksgiving, but it's like we don't have a lot of time left because right after that, the semester ends. So try to get it done before Thanksgiving if you can. If not by the 29th at the latest. And again, like really as soon as you finish module 13, start working on your script. Okay. Email me if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.